Okay, this is exercise 5-12 in the textbook. We're looking at the move command. We want to make sure that we're not snapping to the grid at all. So make sure your snap mode is set to off. To move, we've got the move tool right here. The shortcut for move is M. So the letter M is move. And then we can select the objects. We can select them a couple of different ways. We can do a crossing. And notice anything that crossing window crossed over, selected it. And then you just select a base point and move things over. And then repeat the move command and select a base point and move things over. So the object is to see if you can move things and arrange them in the window. And notice that I can also use the grips to move things. I just select an object, make a grip hot, and move it to where I want it to go, and then hit the escape key. So that's how you move things around.